Hey y'all, so I'm finna take y'all through two meals that I made for one of my clients for the week, but I'm mainly going to focus on the teriyaki recipe because I already have the hot honey salmon rice bowl recipe on my channel, but I don't have the teriyaki recipe yet. So in the description, you'll see the instructions for the teriyaki recipe. If you're looking for the instructions for the hot honey salmon bowls, go ahead and go into my channel and tap into that video. It'll have the full description of the ingredients and instructions in there. So for the teriyaki chicken, I started with rice vinegar. I got that from Wegmans. I'm sure you can get that from any store. I used a little bit of sesame oil, and then I went in there with some soy sauce, mixing it around in the bag, just trying to make sure it's evenly distributed. And if y'all been following me, y'all know I got my staples. So I started off with garlic powder, hit it with the onion powder next. Moving it around, making sure it's mixing evenly. Went in with the paprika. Again, moving it around in the bag just to try to make sure I'm getting it nice and through everywhere. Came in with the salt. Used the hot honey. Some pepper. Then I put some ground ginger in there. I like pepper flakes, so I put some pepper flakes in there. And then I ended with some minced garlic. Put that in the bag, make sure I got that nice and even, closed it up, and then y'all see I'm just massaging, caressing it, making sure I get it around each and all the chicken. Then I went to the salmon. I used the sesame oil. Went ahead and used the rest of the Mike's hot honey. Went and used some sriracha. Soy sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, some salt, pepper. I'm so mad that my salt grinder broke because I just been going back to using my hands with the grinder, and that's just not for me, y'all. The electric grinder is so helpful, so beneficial. If y'all don't have it, go ahead and get y'all one. But then as y'all see, I used some pepper, and then I used some of that ground ginger. Massaged it nice and through, trying to evenly coat it through the salmon. Closed it up, massage each bag again, just to make sure, it's all evenly distributed. Came through with the rolling pin. Y'all know I be mink, tenderizing the chicken. Had my little scale fall off. I'm in my cutting season right now. I hate it. I used to be eating these nice, wonderful meals that I'm showing y'all how to make, and now I'm cutting for bodybuilding. And if I'd have known the process was like this, y'all, I would never be doing this. I'm going to be one and done, but that's not the point of this video. Hit it, then I put it in the refrigerator. Let it marinate. Then I came through with the cauliflower rice. If y'all been following me, y'all know that I've been using cauliflower rice as a substitute for rice. It is lower in calories, so you can decrease the calorie count, decrease the carb count, while still trying to get a higher protein count. If y'all also been following my videos, y'all seen that I just been using a cast iron skillet, but your girl upgraded to a sterling silver skillet as well. So now I got two of these things going at the same time. Meal prep is going a lot faster, y'all. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I'm bet I can make my meals in half the time. Well, my meals are easy right now again because I'm cutting, but meal prepping these meals for other people, that's cool with me. It just goes a lot faster than what it was before. Y'all peep the little grill in the back. When it gets warmer outside, I'm finna be on a grill, and these is gonna go even faster. But again, anyway, not the point of this video. I got the cauliflower rice in the cast iron skillet. Then I put the corn and broccoli in the other frying pan. I seasoned them with my same 5 seasonings: salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Let it cook. Cooked it all up. For the salmon bowls, it uses cucumbers, so I just slice the ends of the cucumbers. Y'all always know that I'm multitasking while I'm cooking, so I got 2 things going on now. So while I slice the ends of the cucumber, I mixed up the cauliflower, made a little hole in the middle, cracked 2 of the large eggs, put them right in the middle, smash the yolk up so that can start cooking. Boom, went right back into the corn and the broccoli, mixed that up. Now while that's cooking, I'm gonna let that rest for a little bit. I went ahead and I sliced up the cucumbers, because again, for the salmon bowls, they use cucumbers. Came back, had to mix the broccoli and corn up. Make sure it's not, cooking too long, but I also like a little crisp on it, so it just adds like a different level of flavor to it, and it be bussin'. So yeah, once I did that, went over to the cauliflower rice, mixed up the egg within the cauliflower rice, kept mixing it up, and then y'all know that with the cauliflower rice, I'll top it off with some soy sauce. Y'all see me do that soon. But then I went ahead and I moved on to the avocado. The avocado is part of the salmon bowl. So sliced up the avocado, got them out of the shell. Slimy, messy process, but you got to do what you got to do to eat some good, delicious food, y'all. Here go the soy sauce. Like I said, topped off the cauliflower rice with some soy sauce, mixed it all up. And when I tell y'all, this is an amazing substitute for rice. Like, this is how you decrease the carb count, decrease the overall calorie count, and then bump up the amount of protein that you're eating, y'all. Y'all see me flipping back and forth between the two, but the corn and broccoli is basically done. The rice is done now, so now I'm going to go ahead and plate everything. All of these meals use the cauliflower rice. So my client is getting 2 of the hot honey salmon bowls and then 3 chicken teriyaki meals, but the base of it all is the cauliflower rice. So I'm an even Stevens type of person. I hate to have one meal have more than the other, because I feel like I'm shortchanging myself one day versus the other, and I'm a big back at heart. Even though I may not look like it, I totally am. So I need to make sure it's all even for my peace of mind and my sanity. Plated them, came straight through with the broccoli and the corn. Then I made sure that I tried to make them even in just the bowls that are getting the chicken teriyaki, because the salmon bowls, they don't get vegetables, just the chicken teriyaki ones. So yeah, I'm plating them, getting it all together, and then I went ahead, cooked the salmon. I start on medium-high heat, let it cook. I got 2 pans, y'all. So again, cooking the chicken and the salmon. Y'all know my process. Normally I let it rest, and then I put butter on top, and then I turn the heat down, and I let it cook. Went over, finished cutting up the avocado, and then yeah, I just let the salmon cook, let the chicken cook. Y'all see me getting the butter ready. Boom, put the butter on top, turn the heat down, put the lid over. It cooks so well. It tastes so good. The flavors are bussin'. The flavors are amazing. While that's cooking, I'm over here plating the cucumbers for each one, trying to make them even. I had a little bit of extra left over. I ended up just eating them once I was done. Put the avocado on there. Got the salmon. It was done cooking. Looked at the chicken breast. I got a new process for chicken breast. Normally, I would cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes, flip it, Didn't put the butter on top, but now I just keep it on the one side, put the butter on top and cook it through. And y'all, like the chicken, it just comes out so juicy, so flavorful. It already did the first way that I was doing it, but this way is amazing. I love it. Then y'all see me coming to make the sauce for the salmon bowls. It's just sesame oil, mayonnaise, and sriracha. Mixed that up, topped it off, and then yeah, I pretty much chopped the chicken up, plated the bowls, and then I had his meals ready for the week. So I've been eating meals like this for the past year, y'all. I have dropped 30 pounds eating good meals like this. Dieting does not have to be boring. It doesn't have to be bland. You can eat bussin' flavorful meals like this and still reach y'all goals. So y'all go ahead and check the description for the recipe. Like I said, this is going to have the chicken teriyaki. If you want the hot honey salmon bowls, I have a whole video dedicated to that on my channel. But go ahead and try it and let me know how they go in the comments below. I love y'all and good luck to y'all on y'all journey.